Oh shit, we're out here going cliff jumping. Supposed to be there at 9 a.m. Yes. Here we are at 4 p.m.
Yeah.
So right on time.
Let's hope we don't lose another camera.
Right.
Might happen.
Got a 360 camera on the way. Last time we went, we lost our GoPro. Got a bunch of footy and then lost it all.
It's all gone.
So yeah, we'll make sure to get a bunch of good footage before we lose it.
We go scuba diving so you can go find it.
Yeah, for sure. It's probably still there. Yeah, here we are going out. Woo! Beautiful AZ. Heading out Canyon Lake.
There's the sign.
Welcome to today's food review. Dude, you gotta fix that crack. Not even gonna make it to the lake. Right. Just our trip to Wendy's. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Tried hard for today's video. Just didn't happen. Alright, here we are. It's only been an hour since we you know, left the house, maybe an hour and a half. We're finally getting close. The roads are getting curvy, which is a good sign that we're getting close to the lake. The mountainous terrain. Ooh, sexy girl. Canyon Lake up here, down around there. Cliff jumping right there. Go up and around right before the second bridge. Oh shit, there's the lake. Oh, coming up on it. As my boy Logan Paul once said, always be plugging.
I might have to turn back. Fucking Logan Paul.
Let's just see if he comes up.
Yo, you hit the bottom? I touched the bottom. You did? How you feeling, Scott?
Feel good, man. The only thing, I like took a step, my foot slipped a little bit.
Oh god. Oh god.
Freaking out.
Good. Alright, but you're here. You made it.
Yeah. So that was a day of cliff jumping. Wasn't anything crazy, but haven't been in over a year since quarantine, so it's good to get out, just kind of shake the rust off.
Felt good. Almost died a couple times, but did some flips.
Hell yeah, dude. But yeah, this is our day. Beautiful views out here. Still, even with the sunset and everything, it's fucking gorgeous. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like below. We'll do more crazy stuff or just lame stuff inside, depending on what I'm feeling. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Squirrel growth out, boy.